Hey guys, Jarrett and Aiden here, and we wanted to come on and talk about the Zyllion back massager. I got this product to review, and it is so great for my back, and I can use it even while I'm holding on to my baby and doing some feedings here. So with this here, this is actually kind of a shell. So you can use this on any chair in your house, you can use it on your couch, you can use it on your recliner chair. Anywhere that has a back surface, you can put this on. Now, it's not meant to be used while you're laying down because that would decrease the lifespan of the motors, and this is just really meant to be used while sitting up. You can control both the upper and the lower portion independently. So the neck portion has rotation 3D heads that will massage in a clockwise or a counterclockwise pattern using the heat function as well too. Now, with this right here, you can turn the heat function on and off for the both the back and for the neck. Also with this too, you can adjust the height of the neck as well when you're using the massage function. So this will actually work for individuals that are both 5 feet up to about 6'3". So that's a long range. A lot of times these massage chairs or massage back chairs, they don't fit everyone that is either too short or too tall. So between 5 feet to 6'3", it's good for. Now, the remote control, it has a long cord so you can easily use it on either hands. So while I'm feeding him, I can swap hands and do whatever I need to do. The cord actually connects right to the side of the back massager, and that's long as well. So you've got a good range. This has multiple settings and it's sectioned off in both the neck and the back sections. So on the neck section, like I was saying before, clockwise, counterclockwise, heat mode, and you can change the height of it. For the back portion here, you can adjust the height of the massagers. So if it's going down to the middle of your back and you want to focus there, well, you'll just hit spot and it will freeze right there and continue to work on that one area. You can increase the speed of how it's going up and down along your back, in addition to the speed of the rotation of the massage. And the seat also has a vibration function. So it's got a low, medium, and high vibration function on there. Now, let's say you only want to work on the back. Well, you just press the neck massage and I'll turn off the neck portion. I really like this a lot. I'll do an in-depth review once this guy's asleep, but I was so excited about this chair that I wanted to pop on and tell you guys about it. So we would definitely say, check this thing out.